Everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of banned account. On the application of Snapchat, we go to settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will scrolling down until you find this window here of Snapchat, and you will click in this page. Here in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.